Dora, nice to meet you again. Simba, good job.
Simba, what are you doing?
The right thing. It is time to put an end to your existence, Dora. I told you this day would come. This day would come. The day you're going to pay for all the atrocities committed against humanity. I told you.
Simba, you betrayed me. Bobby, now that you have the opportunity, go on and do it.
Shoot me! Shoot me, Bobby!
Look at me.
Shoot me!
Look at me.
Shoot me! Look at me! Shoot me, Bobby! Look at me! Look at me!